Happy Sunday to you all. We're back with a new video. Today my dad is feeding our baby Indian Ringneck Parrot.
Thanks, Leah. I'll take it from here. So it's been 3 weeks since Abby joined our flock. And since we are on summer break, we get to hang out with our birds a lot more. In this clip, my dad preps Abby's food using exact hand feeding formula from Petco. We also added a little mashed banana for taste. That's why the mix looks thick, but don't worry, Abby loves it. And it keeps him full, hydrated, and happy. He's about 10 weeks old now and already flying around the house like a pro. So next week, we might need to clip his wings. For now, let's enjoy these final seconds of his feeding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hi, Abby. Where are you going?
All right, that's it. Good boy.